If you ride an ST1300, you know that it's built for long distance, but the stock seat, not as much. The soft factory foam on your seat is gonna start creating pressure points, and before long, you're gonna be shifting around just trying to stay comfortable on the bike. And that's where this Corbin seat makes a huge difference. This is the Canyon Dual Sport seat, and it's using a high density comfort cell foam on the inside. The seat is wider, it's ergonomically sculpted, and the seating platform is made to distribute your weight much more evenly. So that's gonna reduce fatigue, especially on longer touring days. This also has a neutralized seating position, so you're not gonna be constantly sliding forward into the tank every time you brake, and this is just made to optimize your comfort. You can find this seat at accessoryinternational.com. This one-piece seat installs using the factory mounting points, and all of the brackets are going to come pre-installed on the seat, making your installation quick and straightforward. Genuine leather sheeting is going to come standard on the seat, and you have over 70 materials, stitching, and color combinations available that you can choose from, so you can fully customize this to really make it match with your bike at no additional charge. Just like every Corbin seat, this is handcrafted in the United States. It's built to order, and it's made to give you comfort and support and premium quality that's going to make every ride that you take on the bike much more enjoyable. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, you can give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you're interested in this seat, you can find it at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.